Hello students, today we are about to solve exercise question number 7 of chapter 2, which is accounting for partnership firms fundamental, from T.S. Grewal's double entry bookkeeping. So this question is related to the topic interest on partners loan to the firm. In this question there are two partners, Sita and Geeta, दो partner हैं and they are sharing their profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Now they have given loan to the firm of rupees 30,000 in their profit sharing ratio on 1st October 2020. क्योंकि दोनों ने 30,000 contribute किया है in their profit sharing ratio, so let us calculate Sita's loan. It will be 3/5 of 30,000, which is 18,000, and Geeta's loan will be 2/5 of 30,000, which is coming 12,000. Now we will calculate interest on partners loan. So at what rate interest on loan from partners will be calculated? So when partnership deed is silent on interest on loan from partner, then interest on loan will be allowed at 6% per annum. Now we'll calculate interest on Sita's loan first and then interest on Geeta's loan. So what will be interest on Sita's loan? It will be calculated as under, first we'll take 18,000, the loan given by her. It will be at the rate of 6%, so 6 by 100, and since the loan is only for 6 months, so 6 by 12. So answer will be rupees 540. Similarly, we'll calculate interest on Geeta's loan of rupees 12,000 for 6 months at the rate of 6% per annum. So we'll be getting 360. So this was it. Thank you and have a great day.